What's up guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we're going to be making cauliflower pizza crust. We've been asked for a while to do a healthier recipe, and this is a good healthy recipe that's easy and still tastes good. You can't really tell a difference between that and regular pizza.
You can make these up ahead of time and freeze them, so then when anytime you're running late or need something quick for supper, then you can just take it out of the freezer and add your spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce and your toppings and bake it, and you have supper.
Before we start this video, please make sure that you're subscribed to our channel, and also make sure that you like this video and leave a comment down below telling us how you like this recipe, and leave suggestions for any recipes we should do in the future.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing we want to do is preheat the oven to 425. And then next, we're going to put parchment paper on a large cookie sheet or baking sheet, and because we're going to make two pizza crusts. And then you want to spray it with cooking spray. And then we're ready to mix our ingredients. We've doubled this to make 2 pizza crusts. But I wanted to show you how to grate the cauliflower if you've never done that part before. You just use a regular grater, and then just do it like that till you get it fine. Okay, so we've got our 2 cups already measured out. So that's what it looks like. And then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of egg white, which is like two egg whites for one recipe. But since we're doing 2 recipes, we got 4 egg whites here. So we're going to add that. And then we need a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and then I use fresh garlic, but you can use garlic powder, and then you'd want to add a 1/4 teaspoon. Shoo. So you're going to put that in. And then we're going to add in our mozzarella cheese, and we need 1 cup of that. So that's all the ingredients it takes to make the crust. Get a spoon, and then we're going to stir it up, and we'll bake them both on the same baking sheet. So you just want to kind of put it out, split it in half, and on your parchment paper. Does that look pretty even?
Yep. And
then you just want to take your hands, or you can kind of use the spoon too, but I usually just use my hands, and just flatten it out thin as you can get it, and make 2 pizza crusts about the size of a plate, the inside of the plate. And that's all there is to it, and we're ready to bake it. So I'm going to bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to flip it and bake it a little while longer. Oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, so we'll let that bake and then we'll be back. Okay, so we're ready to flip them over. So I just used 2 spatulas and just kind of get under each side. And just flip them. Okay, we're going to bake them about another, probably about 5 to 7 more minutes. Looks good. Turn the oven off. And then I'm going to get a pizza pan and spray it. We're going to go ahead and bake one of them with the sauce and cheese on it. So we'll go over here and I'll put one on the cookie sheet. We're going to let this one cool down, and you can either store it in the refrigerator or you can put it in the freezer. So we've got some pizza sauce here. We'll sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on. And it, of course, you can do, hamburger sausage. Just depends on how low carb you want to be. Vegetables like mushrooms, peppers, and then just top it with cheese and put it back in the oven. Probably for about 5 minutes. We'll check it and see if the cheese has melted. Okay, so let me put the timer on. I'm going to keep it at 425. Okay, that's done. I ended up adding 3 more minutes, so I baked it about 8. So let's put it over here, take it over to the table.
Okay guys, we're back. We just made the cauliflower pizza and it turned out really well. It was easy. Took us barely any time at all. So now we're gonna try it.
Tastes just like a pizza crust, doesn't it? So you could eat it all night long. It wouldn't be bad for you.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a like. Also leave a comment for us and leave some suggestions for what we should do in the future. And also check out the links in the description with our social medias and some other stuff. And we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.
Your hair looks good.
Okay, there we are. Looks good. If you're trying to be really low carb, there's just look for a spaghetti sauce with really low carb.
What if it's gross?
Just act like you like it. It's been a year since our first blooper video, and I've been practicing Vita Meta Vegemin. It's really good for you. And so tasty too. If you don't use fresh garlic, you're boring.
Covered in cheese and...
It's got, no, don't worry about it. You could eat it all night long. It's gluten-free, so if you're gluten-free, you can have it. Just go for it. Yeah, but you can eat the whole pizza if you're the only one eating.
Keep talking about it.
Like if you're having that for dinner, you can eat the whole thing. And it won't even hurt you.
You keep bringing that up. I'm so full now.
Yeah, but you can eat the whole pizza. It won't hurt you.
I bet you said you can eat the whole thing at least 8 times in this video.
Yeah, what was that one commercial? I can't believe I ate the whole thing.
2, 3. Bye.
Bye. You used the wrong hand. Didn't you?
I don't. I always use this hand, don't I? I use this one.
We
All right,
always-
ready?
Okay.
Do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye. You did it again.